Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this LENOVO Legion smartphone, and in this video I would like to show top 3 apps that you can get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would like to show you guys is called Photo Math. It's a very cool app that allows you to just take a photo of any math problem and the app will solve it for you and show all the steps. So let's go ahead and open it. Once opening this app the first time, it will ask you to grant it the permission to use camera, so you'll go ahead and do that. I have just one simple quadratic equation in front of me, which I'll photo in order to give this app an example. You just do it like that. So it will scan it, and as you could see, it has successfully solved this math problem. It also allows you to choose which methods it will use and which methods it will show to you. It also shows the steps that in which this equation have been solved, and there is also the graph for this equation, which looks just like that. So it has a lot of cool features which are definitely useful for your math classes. And by tapping on the show solving steps, the app will present what steps it took in order to solve this equation or any other problem you'll fit to it. And here there is also a very detailed explanation for it. So that was it for the first app. We're moving on to the next one, which is called Electron app. It's a cool app that allows you to monitor the state of the battery on your device, and it also gives you some interesting facts about it, let's put it that way. So it has this starting first launch instruction in order to get you familiar with the app. You'll just read it, and here whilst launching the app the first time, it will ask you to calibrate your battery. Basically it will just go ahead and scan it, get the values that it needs done. And as you can see, it contains a lot of different very useful information on your battery. For example, the battery capacity, the temperature of your battery, and etc. It has a few settings that you can alter, that you can play with. For example, dark mode or light mode, what units the temperature will be displayed in my case I'll just stick with Celsius. And you can also recalibrate the battery anytime you feel like doing it. So that was it for the Electron app. We're moving on to the third and the last app for this video, and it's called Stick Around. It's actually a very fun app which basically just gives you an information on whether the movie that you are going to see, that you are going to the movie theater for, has any during the credit or after the credit scenes. So it basically just allows you not to waste your time and wait until the hidden scenes, if they are not there. So for example, you are going for the Blacklight movie tomorrow and you want to see whether this movie has or has not any hidden after or during the credit scenes. So you just tap on it, and as you can see, this movie has the during the credit scene and you should wait for them, but there are no after the credit scene. So as long as you saw the first scenes, you can just go ahead and leave the theater and do not waste your time. When it comes to the new Batman, as you can see, there are neither the during the credit scenes nor the after the credit scenes. So that was pretty much it for this app. The only other feature it has, it allows you to search the film for a film by its name. So I'll go ahead and search for Dune, for example, and see what the app will say about it. And as you can see, it definitely says that you should not wait. You should not wait for any hidden scenes of this app. So that was it, not only for the Stick Around app, but for this video in a whole. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And bye bye.